Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to fix CapCut lag while editing high-res video. So, what you want to check out first is at the very ending of the video, you might see like a CapCut license or CapCut watermark here. Now, what you need to do is delete this part of the video or the ending because that may contain some effects, filters, whatever that could reduce your performance. Next, what you want to do is hit the AI UHD at the very top. You're gonna see if you basically made the resolution, frame rate, bit rate at the very high, that could potentially reduce the performance of your phone, right? It may slow you down. So make sure to reduce the quality of the resolution and frame rate, and obviously the bit rate. Okay, next, what you need to do, go back to your screen, right? And CapCut may experience some potential like server issue. So go ahead and type is CapCut down and check the downdetector.com, right? And you can see that user reports show no current problems with CapCut server, right? So now, if there is any problem, you can go ahead to that detector and check if there is any problem. Next, you may have a basically oversized files, right, inside CapCut. So you need to clear some cache and cookies by heading over to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, scroll a little bit down to find CapCut, hit Upload and double click to upload the app, right? And that will release some of the unnecessary data or files within CapCut, right? And now you can go back and try editing your video again. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.